Today we will show you how to replace a reciprocator in 3 easy steps. First, we have to take off the head unit, starting with the back cover to unwire it. Then, unscrew the 4 bolts of the head . Then, we put the head over the upper zone. Now we see the reciprocator and its 2 axles. We'll remove the right plate and just unscrew the left. This will liberate the axle. We use a 2.5 Allen wrench to unscrew the prisoner bolt of the central axle. Using pointed pliers, we pull it up and out of the hole, and then the reciprocator is ready to be removed. In step 2, we'll pull out the plastic embrace from the side axle. We take the reciprocator from the connecting rod and pion. Now install the new reciprocator unit and reverse the whole process. In step 3, we place the central axle with the shaped portion facing the prisoner bolt. You can see it has an upper O-ring hole to lubricate the reciprocator. Remove the lower plate to put the bearing in the correct position with the shaped side of the axle to the left. We replace the lower plate, push down the axle, screw the prisoner bolt again, fix the upper plates and put the head unit back in place. The reciprocator unit has been replaced and is ready to work.